Hi, I'm Rebecca, and welcome to my kitchen. And yes, this really is my kitchen. Cook here every day. Today, I'm going to make a really quick, easy, no bake cheesecake.
Before the video starts, grab the subscribe button. We are giving away a set of Spurtles. All you have to do is hit the subscribe button, give the video a like, and leave a comment. Once we hit 500 subscribers, we will draw a random winner. More info on this giveaway at the end of the video.
I love cheesecake. I hate to cook it, but I do have one that's a really good one that I do put in the oven that we'll get into when fall rolls around. Right now, it's still too hot to cook with the oven on for very long. I have in my mixer 2 softened cream cheese. And they're 8 ounces each, and I'm gonna get those going. And to that, I'm gonna add 1 can of sweetened condensed milk. And I'm gonna pour that in there with it. And I'm gonna give that a few minutes to go. I'm gonna open this up because I want to scrape those sides down. And I want to make sure that I get every last bit of that condensed milk in there. I'm going to scrape the sides and scrape the bottom and make sure I get it all in there. And to help it mix, I'm going to add 1/3 cup of fresh lemon juice. And I use fresh lemon juice. I just got done squeezing that. And what you need to have ready is 1 graham cracker crust. And I open these up real far, and you'll see I'll be able to stick the lid back on it. Now I'm going to beat this up good. And while that's going around, I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of vanilla. And I use pure vanilla on this. And I can tell they're getting done. And you're going to see bits of lemon in it because I used fresh lemon. I didn't use the kind that comes from the grocery store that's already concentrated, and I don't do that. I use fresh lemon juice. I freeze my lemons. When I buy a bag of lemons, I freeze them, and then I stick them in the microwave for 2 lemons. It takes about 1 minute and 30 seconds. And I'm going to continue to mix this. And what I like about this recipe is there's just mixing, there's no baking. You put it in the refrigerator. You can do it overnight. You could do it for 3 or 4 hours. And we'll find out how I feel later, which one I want to do. So it's done, and what I'm going to do is pour it in here. It's pretty thick, which is the way you want it. And I'm just going to spread this out. And what I'm going to do is stick my lid on it. And I'm going to stick this and this in the refrigerator and let it sit. That is just cherry pie filling. You can use it for toppers or whatever. And I'm going to put it in there so it gets cold. And I'm going to let this set up. And I will see you back here either in 4 hours or tomorrow morning. Hi, I'm back. And as you can see, my cheesecake is ready. There's a couple ways you can do this. I can go ahead and cut some pieces. And I usually like to cut it in 8 slices all together. And I can take it out of there. As you see, it's going to come straight out. Done really good. And then I can just stick some strawberry pie filling on it. And that's what is good. Or I can take and cover the whole thing and serve it that way. It really doesn't matter, but I am going to go ahead and cover the rest because I don't want this stuff to sit in the can. It's not very good just sitting in the can and get that canny taste, which we don't really care for. I'm sure you don't either. And then I can just take it from there and just put it back in the refrigerator, and that stuff will get nice and firm on the top of it. And there you go. This is light and creamy. It's very easy to do. No oven, no nothing, and you'll have a nice, quick, easy dessert. If you want to, you can put Cool Whip on it, but the cherries and the filling is really, really good, and I think that you will enjoy it. Stay tuned. I am doing one. With fall coming up, I'm going to do one dinner and one dessert every single week. And this is the beginning of it. Next week, I have some apple cookies coming up. It's apple season, and you don't want to miss my apple cookies. So I'll see you next week. Have a great day. Bye.
To win this set of Spurtles, hit the subscribe button, give the video a like, and leave a comment. Also, if you could share this video, we would reach our goal of 500 subscribers. The sooner we reach our goal, the quicker we can pick a winner. Thanks.